Hey guys, today we're going to continue talking about. I'm first going to go over the homework from today, which some of you did not do, unfortunately, and but I'm going to go over it. I had told you guys when we had our math meeting that I wanted you to do the rest of the page, and some of you did not do it. Hector Riley Patrick. Let's go over that. On number 4, it said 125 inches equals blank feet and blank inches. And what that should be is 125 divided by the magic number for feet and inches, which is 12. So 125 divided by 12 equals 10 remainder 5, right? 10 remainder 5. And then the 10 remainder 5, that would be 10 feet, 5 inches. Same thing with 46 feet. 46 feet, when you divide 46, well, you have now 46 feet, but then you have yards and feet. So you do 46 divided by 3. 46 divided by 3 equals 15 yards with 1 foot left over. Okay? There's 15 remainder 1. Number 6. You have to go the opposite way. 42 yards, 2 feet. So what is the magic number for yards and feet? It's 3, right? So this time you're doing the opposite. You're multiplying. 42 times 3 equals 125. No, that's not right. 126. 126. And then you add the remainder, the feet, 2 feet. Add that. 126 plus 2 is 128. Number 7. 8 feet. And 3 yards, right? Set up like this. You have to figure out which is bigger. I would always take the big thing, yards, and make it into feet, right? 3 yards equals how many feet? Every yard is 3 feet, so 3 times 3 is 9. So it should be 9 feet. 3 yards, same thing as 9 feet. So 8 feet and 9 feet. 8 feet is less than 9 feet. Next one is 2 miles and 10,500 feet. Again, I would convert the big thing, miles, to feet. So you do 2 times 5,280, which is 10,560. So 10,560 is greater than, so it should look like this. Greater than 10,500. Number 9, and then you have 3 yards and 2 feet. And you have 132 inches. I would convert 3 yards, 2 feet to inches. Now that's tricky. First you have to convert the yards to feet. So 3 yards equals 3 times 3 is 9. So you have 9 feet and 2 feet. Combine them, now you have 11 feet, right? So let me do that again. 3 yards, 2 feet. Convert the yards to feet. 3 times 3 is 9, so you have 9 feet, and then take that 2 feet, you add them together, 11 feet. So now we have 11 feet on one side, 132 inches on the other. Then, we're still not done yet though, because the one side with 11 feet, you convert that down to inches. 11 times 12 equals 132, and they are the same, equals. And 11 is, to convert feet to yards, I need to divide by 3. Remember? All right, let's jump forward to page 591. So we're talking customary capacity. Customary, there we go. Customary capacity. Trying to show you. What is capacity? Capacity is, I usually use the word volume, but they like to use the word capacity in here. Capacity is how much something holds. What we're going to do now is the same exact thing that we're doing the previous time, but instead of using inches, feet, yards, miles, we're now using ounces, fluid ounces, cups, pints, gallons. And you can find that on page 592. You'll see on page 592 you have this handy dandy little thing right there that has the customer units on it. And so the magic number for each one, like the conversion factor for each one, 8 fluid ounces in a cup, 2 cups in a pint, 2 pints in a quart, 4 quarts in a gallon. So now we're doing the math exactly the same way, but with volume. Let's do the example. Let's actually skip forward to 592 and do the example there on 592. Coral made 32 pints of fruit punch for a party. She needs to carry the punch in 1-gallon containers. How many containers does Coral need? So 32 pints, she needs to split them up into 1-gallon containers. So we need to go from pints to gallons. Here's the thing. We can't go straight from pints to gallons. We need to go pints to quarts, then quarts to gallons. So for pints to quarts, you take the amount of pints, 32, and you divide it by the magic number, which is 2, and you get 16. 32 divided by 2 is 16. So we had 32 pints divided by the magic number of 2, and now you have 16 quarts. But now I'm not where I need to be. I need to be in gallons. So I take my 16 quarts and I do the magic number. What is the magic number on the top of page 592? What's the magic number of quarts to gallons? I want to be in gallons. Divided by 4. 16 divided by 4 equals 4 gallons. Okay? So, if we go back to the thing, it says, how many gallon containers does Coral need? She needs 4-gallon containers. Okay? Look at the very bottom. Skip number 1. Look at number 2. It says 3 gallons equals blank pints. 3 gallons equals blank pints. PT is pint. 3 gallons equals blank pints. What I have to do is I have to go from gallons to pints now. So when I'm going from the large holding one to the smaller, remember now I'm multiplying because it can hold, because there are more of them that can fit in the same amount. So I'm multiplying, but I can't go right from gallons to pints. I have to go to quarts first. What is the magic number, the conversion factor from gallons to quarts? 3 times 4. Yep. Equals 12. So now 3 gallons equals 12 quarts. That's what I have. 3 gallons equals 12 quarts. But now I have 12 quarts. I need to be in pints. What do? Multiply by the magic number of, what is the magic number for quarts and pints? 2. 12 quarts times 2 equals 24 pints. You should have 24 pints there. I would like you to right now pause this video and do numbers 3 and 4. Please pause the video, do number 3 and 4. When you come back and play it, then we are going to go over them. Okay? So go ahead and do that now. Welcome back. I'm assuming you all paused the video and did that. If you forgot to pause the video, please pause it now and do them. But let's go over these. Number 3, 5 quarts equals blank pints. 5 quarts, and since quarts is a larger one, we need to multiply it because we're making many more of them. 5 quarts equals, and what's the magic number? Times 2, so it should be 5 quarts equals 10 pints. And number 4, 6 quarts equals blank cups. So we have to go from quarts to pints and pints to cups. So quarts to pints, you multiply by 2. So 6 quarts equals 12 pints. And then from pints to cups, you have to multiply by 2 again. So 12 times 2 is 24. The answer is 24 cups. Now, I would like you to do 5 through 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's what you're going to do for classwork. I'm done with this video. Please do your classwork and post it in the assignment. Thank you very much.